Hi guys, we're going to be doing 1.7 selecting procedures. And starting with question 1, we're going to be rationalizing, as you can tell. And what we're going to start by doing is multiplying the numerator by its conjugate. And you can see its opposite signs right here. And we'll do that for the bottom as well. Sorry, my handwriting is bad. But this leaves us with x plus 7 over x square root of x plus 7 plus square root of 7. And that can equal x plus 14. Next, x. And once we get this formula right here, we can just plug in 0 for x, and it will simplify it all down. I just realized that I made a mistake, and this won't be a plus. This will be a minus because of up here. I put it in as the conjugate, and so that would equal x plus 7 minus 7 over x times x plus 7 in the square root plus square root of 7. And that would just, you cancel these out, and that would be x over x times square root of x plus 7 plus x plus, not x, plus square root of 7. You cross these out, and your final formula for as the limit as x approaches 0 is 1 over square root of x plus 7 plus square root of 7. And for this one, you can plug in the 0, so to get the function, and 1 0 plus, and 1 over square root of 0 plus 7 plus square root of 7 equals to 1 square root of 7 plus square root of 7. Now you can plug this into your calculator and get the exact decimal, but this will be your final answer. As the limit approaches 0, 1 over square root of 7 plus square root of 7. And that will be question 1. Hi guys, going on to question 2. This is where we're going to be doing complex fractions. So you can see is as the limit goes to, as x goes to 6, x over 1 over x plus 6 minus 1, 6. And automatically, you can tell that you need to find a common denominator. And that would be, just looking at them, that would be 6x plus 6. Now I can go ahead and multiply 6 in parentheses x plus 6 by the numerator and the denominator, because I already know that I'm going to have to multiply this up, which would leave me with 6x in parentheses x plus 6. But we're going to have to get rid of these. So let's square back that and bring that down here. You already know it's going to be multiplied like this. But when you do a denominator, you do a numerator too. So you gotta multiply the numerator by the same number too. And that would leave you with 6 minus, x plus 6 in parentheses over the denominator, that is 6x plus 6, which you're going to have to divide anyway. As you can tell, if I would have plugged in like x over 6 negative x plus 6 over 6x plus 6, you're going to have to divide it, because to divide a fraction, you got to flip the denominator and the numerator and multiply it across. But for the numerator, once you combine them together because of the common denominator, you just distribute this negative right here, and it will equal 6 negative x plus 6. And, oh, negative x minus 6. Sorry, make sure to distribute those negatives and don't leave those negatives out because they're very crucial. But as you can tell, these 6's cross out, which will be left with, it will be left with negative x. So since that is a negative x right there, I can automatically put that in for my denominator. Now I know I could have used this step and took my stuff from there, but I already did that in the beginning because I know I'm already going to have to multiply it by the denominator since you flip the fractions. But since this will simplify it down to, this will simplify it down because the x is canceled, which will leave you with a negative 1. Well, it's just a negative in front, but I like to say negative 1 times 6 in parentheses 6x plus 6, which will ultimately be, as the limit approaches 6, negative 6x plus 36, because I distribute the numbers out. And this will be your function, but since it gives you 6, you have to plug in 6 to find the actual number of what it will be approaching. So that would be limit as x approaches 6, plug in 6 for x, and that'll be negative 36 plus 36 equals 0. And that is your answer. Bye.